Hi guys, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to properly turn in your lab reports. So for this first one, I want to talk about the lab basics because what I see turned in is usually not complete, at least what I've seen so far. So one of the first things you want to do, of course, is you're going to download for your notebook and the Excel basics assignment. And then, of course, you might save this somewhere on your computer. I'm just going to put it, let's see, I'll just put it right here on my desktop. I'll save that one. And I'll save the Excel basics. Put that on my desktop real quick. Okay, then what I'm going to do, check these, and I'm going to go over to my drive, okay, so Google Drive. And then what I want you to do is to create a new folder, okay, so new folder. Okay, and in the instructions, so just to go back here, on the instructions for the lab reports, here's how you want to name it, okay, your name, underscore boundary 352L. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll put Kaiser S underscore biol 352L. Okay, create that. Okay, I'm going to click in there, and I want to upload my 4-year notebook files. So the stuff that I need to be working on. So I'm going to put that one up. Okay. And okay. So I've got both those loaded up. Now what I want to do, and I can work within these, within Word or within the Google Docs, depending on how you want to do it. So I'm just going to open it with Google Docs. Okay. So I open that one. And for your notebook results. Okay, so I'm going to open that one, and I can also go back and open this one as well. And then what I can do is I can even go ahead and create a whole new Google Doc within this folder. So maybe here I want to see a new Google Doc. Why might I want to do that? Well, I know that I need to combine this for your notebook results and the Excel basics. Remember I said get it into one document? So I can just Control A, copy all, Control C, copy, click it here, Control V, and then the Excel, Control A, Control C, go to the bottom of this, Control V. Okay, now I've got everything into one untitled document, and I can call this Kaiser S Lab 1. Okay? Yay. Now I can go in and put my answers in. Now, I don't really need this right here, because this is methods. I don't need any of that. So one of the things that I did, and I'm just going to upload it here since I already worked on it, but I'm going to put into this drive one that I already worked on. Go to second, bring it up. So here's what I did. This is now how you should be filling it out. So notice for that part one, the only thing I really needed from that was to fill in this table one. So I recreated, I recreated that. Oh, do you make this? There it is. Sorry, open with Google Docs. I forgot to do that. Okay, so I've just put in my answer what I needed from this. So I didn't need this part here. So all I did was put the part, I recreated table one. What you would be doing is filling in your mouse tab. Okay? Then the other thing I needed was, remember, it said compare result to the standards provided by your instructor. And you could just put our practice by putting this like the instructors to the standards. You could put something like that. Then there was part two, and answering these parts. So I just put in there. So you put your answer here, answer here. You can put it in red or another alternative color if you really want to make sure it stands out. Then we went down to the diagram. It's a picture, so you couldn't label right on it. So you had to put your answer either above or below that picture of the microscope and label, like one was this part, two was this part. Okay, put your answer. Okay, the light microscope, I put that in there, and here you should be inserting your photo at the 4x. You wrote the XY coordinates. Then I said repeat that process at 10x. So you should have a photo with the XY coordinates. You should have a photo with the XY coordinates. And then you should have something about when you switch slides, when you looked at their photos of what you were seeing by following their XY coordinates, did you see the same thing? Find what they found. Okay. Then I put the Excel basics at the end of it, right? Copy that down here. I don't need this on my answers. I just went straight to the things I made in my answers. Okay, you would put your screen capture with the Excel, screen capture, screen capture, screen capture. Conditional formatting, if you didn't get that right, don't worry about it. If you did, great. If not, you can leave it blank. Then you more screen captures. Don't forget to answer this question about what is R-squared. Okay, screen capture, screen capture, screen capture. All of that now is done. Okay, and now you can download as, so you can do it as a Microsoft Word, or you can do it as a PDF. So if you're on Mac and you don't have Office, you can download it as a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. There it goes. Okay, now what I can do is saving this. Somewhere I'll put on my desktop too. And now you're going to go back to the Recruiter Courses page. Logged in. As I do, but here we go. And now I'm going to go down to the Turn It In link, click in there, and turn in the PDF, upload my PDF. That's what you should be doing. Now in the future, for our next lab, right, you can work all of this in Google Docs. Put your for your notebook in there. Work around that. Add the introduction, the purpose statement, the introduction, the methods ahead of that for your notebook, and then put your discussion after it. And then fill all that in, download it as a PDF or a Word doc, whichever you prefer, and load that into here. Make sure it's complete. Okay, I hope that helps.